I've already set it up. There's the sound bar right there, and here's the actual wireless subwoofer. I'm gonna go over that on how I set it up and why I think this is a great option for anyone that, just like me, has more like an entertainment center and just needs a good, affordable sound bar for their kind of living room or wherever you got it. You can mount this on a wall, by the way. Had a few little wires with it, had an HDMI cable, some screws for screwing it down, and a remote. And here's the remote to it. Now, what I like about this thing, if you've got any type of Roku TV, you do not need this remote. Well, at least I didn't, because I have a Hisense TV, and I think this is a really good TV right here, and I just wanted to partner it up with a Hisense soundbar. So the remote was kind of like even useless to me. The actual wiring on this, you see how I have it ran through the HDMI cable. You do need a power outlet right there, but there's also a little USB port in there, and there's the optical out, and there's also a 3.5 jack. Here's the screw holes where you can mount it to the wall. So if you didn't want to put it like this, you can mount it up to the wall. And the wireless subwoofer, it is wireless, meaning there's no wires like coming from the unit, but you do have to have electricity. So I've got it plugged in right there. All you got to do is pair it up. It was super easy. I had this thing, once you plug it in HDMI, you'll have this thing plugged up and ready to go in a matter of seconds. And let me let you guys listen to it and see how it sounds here. I have Prime pulled up here. You know what? If you're not a member of Prime, you should definitely go get Prime today. Let's see. Let's go and let's do the Puss in Boots. That was the last little movie I was watching. Let's see how it sounds right here. So you can see, let it load up a little bit. We'll turn it up. And you see how it, if you got a Hisense TV, it says that it's on a sound bar. You can turn it up right here. Now, it's hard to tell, it's hard to listen to like TV speakers in a microphone, but it has on the front right here, the actual ER, the mute works just like that. And if I want to go the sound, I can go over to the sound settings just like this. I can change all of the levels, the bass, the treble, the dimmer. So the dimmer's like right here. See, watch when I change this dimmer. See how it got brighter right there? I run it on dim 1. I can reset. These are EQ modes that's inside this thing, by the way. This is not the TV. That works inside there. And all these buttons are also on top right there. So very handy on that. I think that worked out really good. A lot of these TVs, the speakers that's included in a TV are not that good. So I recommend anyone getting a sound bar. There it is. I recommend anyone getting a soundbar, and what I like about this one, it comes with the subwoofer. So you got the soundbar, the subwoofer, and you're all ready to go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Hisense soundbar and subwoofer.